Hello students, today we are going to start with the class 10 chapter 1 power sharing. Power sharing means when the power is divided between the division of government in the equal form, that will be known as the power sharing. To understand power sharing in a different manner or in a detail, we will discuss example of Belgium and Sri Lanka. So first example is related to the Belgium. So let's start with the Belgium. First, Belgium, it is a small European country whose population is just around 1 crore, or we can say the half of the total population of Haryana. And it has a border with France, Netherlands, Germany, and Luxembourg. And the capital of Belgium is Brussels. So its ethnic composition of this small country is very complex. Now, ethnic composition means a social division which is based on the shared culture where people belonging to the same ethnic group believed that their common descents because of the similarities of physical type or of a culture or both. They need not always have the same religions or the morality. So that was the means ethnic composition. Now this is little bit difficult, or it's a complex ethnic composition in the Belgium. So, why it is considered as the complex one? Because 59% people, those who are speaking the Dutch language, they are living in the Flemish region, and 40% people, those who are speaking the French language, they are living in the Wallonia region, and 1% remain, or 1% are the German speakers. Now, this looks like a little bit simple, but in the Belgium, it was the ethnic composition where Belgium, Dutch speakers are in the majority and French speakers are in the minority. But the situation is different in the capital. Capital was Brussels, because in the Brussels, French speaking people are in the majority, and in the Flemish region, the Dutch speakers are in the majority. Here, the Dutch speakers are in the majority. Here, the French speakers are in the majority. But in the capital, the French people are, or French community is in the majority. Due to that, there is a lot of dispute created between these two communities. So what are the main problems they were having? The first problem was related to the uh, position, or related to the privileges they are having. In the French people were more rich and more powerful because they put more focus on their education, and the Dutch were not in the good position, and they were poor. So this created a type of discontent among the Dutch people. Tensions and conflict started between them, and these conflicts were more prominent in the Brussels because there is a French people, those who are in the majority. Now they find it out a solution of this problem. So they adopted a model which was known as the accommodation model. Now, accommodation means where you adjust or where you compromise. So they find it out a solution of this problem. So for that, they amend their constitution 4 times, and it happened between the 1970 to 1993. They amend their constitution so that they can find it out the best solution and best uh, method of power sharing, so the equal representation will be given to the French community as well as to the Dutch community. So there are some elements which they have adopted in the Belgium. The first one is equal number of ministers from both French and Dutch communities in the central government. They selected the equal ministers from both communities at the central government. Then second one, some powers of the central government they have taken, and that is given to the state government, so that the state government can also take important decisions related to their development of the state. And the state government is not subordinate or not answerable to the central government, means they can take their decision by their own. Then there is a separate government was set up in the capital, which was Brussels. Here also they follow, or they give the equal number of the ministers from both French and Dutch communities. Then the last one, they establish or they also make that there should be a community government. And what this community government is going to do? This government will look into cultural, educational, and the language matters. So that was related to the community government. So these were the four elements which were adopted or which were followed by the Belgium to make their country more strong or more united. Now there are some advantages also. So these are the advantages of power sharing in the Belgium, or we can say how the Belgium is benefited with this model. So first, it avoided the social conflict because everyone is going to get the equal representation. So they are not going to create a dispute or a problem in that specific area or in that specific country. Then they prevented the civil war. Now, what is the civil war? It is a type of a violent or a conflict between the opposing groups within a country that becomes so intense that it appears like a war. So it also prevent a civil war. And if there is a no war or people are not fighting or there were no conflicts, so it means the country will be united or it will prevent the breaking up of the country. Then the next one, that it will also strengthen the unity of a country. So these were the advantages of following the accommodation model of power sharing in the Belgium. So in this class we discussed about the ethnic composition of Belgium and accommodation model of Belgium and advantages of power sharing in Belgium. In our next class we will be discussing about the ethnic composition of the Sri Lanka and which model they have adopted, that we will be discussing in our next class. Till then, thank you.